after scoring that off the block.
Clarence wanting Francisco for that one. Pozas been quiet as of late. Santiago, a high bump set for Rahim, giving a free ball. Here comes Bicar, now to the quick, and Francisco was very much ready. Castrodes now serving, had a couple of great serves in that last set. There's another one. Pozas elevating, double block. Now to the other side with Piojo, that one straight down.
Again, excellent setting by Bicar. Part of the set 4.
Aligayon, a chance here for UP. Santiago will set up the Guzman.
Oh.
What an angle. Now it's a 1-point lead for UP. A combination play. Debs Aligayon. Nandito na kasi siya.
Nandito na kasi siya. And this is the first time in a while where they got the lead at the earlier part of a set. Because they would always play catch up against UE.
The Guzman approaches from the left pin and hitting it off the hands of his defenders. A 3-point lead now.
But this is what you love about UE. At this point, natututo na sila. And look at Aceron scoring second ace of the game.
Santiago now has a full front line. Let's see what he does with it. Piojo, in the meantime, has other plans.
Piojo, 19 big points already for because he's also a good floor defender, same as Alina.
Pokita, Kamaymayan. Point UE. Pokita dito. But still down by 4. 1-2 play. Santiago surprising UE.
And looking like he has a lot of confidence in his teammates.
From the opposite side, Dan Nicolas, there was a check ball.
And Dan Nicolas, the few times that he attacked from the opposite side.
Pokita, Kamaymayan. Nababasa na ng UP.
Throughout set number 4, they have had the lead since the beginning of this set and they haven't let go.
Tight. Nagawa ng paraan ni Pokita para kay Piojo.
Not much here at the opening game, but he still has his chances.
And a kill block by Francisco. And we are going to a set number 5.